How much snow we got? I cleaned off the cars last night. Can't even tell. Can't even get to the car. That is like all the way up to Henry's stomach. Henry, go in the snow. Go. 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 Oh my god. Henry, come over here. Go. Go. Oh. See how high it is? Oh, okay. Lay down.